Hi, I'm Aileen O'Meara and I teach mobile video. I show you how to make really good videos on your phone and demystify the whole video process. I get asked a lot of frequently asked questions, so here's a video telling you what those questions are and giving you the answers. First one, what do you teach in your workshops? Well, I teach you how to make really good videos. Videos that sound well, that look well, that are well framed. Videos like this one, including text and logos. 2. What kind of phone do I need? Well, again, a decent phone is what you need. A good smartphone. iPhone 5 or upwards, and an Android like a Samsung is very good. Huawei's are good as well, but not Windows phones. They don't work at all. So a good quality phone, yes, but it doesn't have to be the latest model. But most importantly, you need to have storage on that phone. And I recommend 10 gigs of storage free to make good videos. People frequently ask, do I need video experience before I come in your workshop? I answer, no. I've taught basic beginners and people who 4 years in college doing video because we demystify video. Learning video is like any skill. You get taught by a good teacher and then you practice. So no, you don't need any experience, but you do need the right attitude. You need to come prepared to learn. Fourth question I get asked is, how many people can go on your workshop? Well, if you want one-to-one attention, I recommend no more than 6 should come in my workshop because we really try to get everybody making a video on the day to do the workshop, whether it's a half day or a full day. However, I am now doing masterclasses as well, where I'll take up to 15-20 people. So if you've got a large group in your organisation and you want to give them a good introduction and demystify the video process and making one video clip that we can show you how to edit, we can do that too. Do I need to bring extra equipment on the workshop? No, we supply the equipment. We supply a tripod mount, a full tripod, and most importantly, we supply sound, a good clip-on mic, and we also have our recommendations for the equipment that we use that's been tried and tested. So if you want to find out more, that's our final question. Where do I find out more? Take a look at our website, videotraining.ie, where we also run online courses. Do get in touch, and thanks for watching.